Robert Heffernan, Endotech Analytics, streaming live exclusively for Pareto token holders. It is Thursday, the 22nd, of February. This is Blockchain Vitals, your daily show all about cryptos. And on the title it says for 2/23. That's for tomorrow, because the Blockchain Vitals sheet that is posted every evening in the US of A is for that next trading day here, which is the trading day now in Asia. So to my Asian friends, good morning. And the sheet is available on Twitter right now. My Twitter handle is at HFR from the floor. There's the old HFR badge from the days slinging commodities in Chicago. HFR from the floor. Now HFR is in the matrix, and we are ready to talk cryptocurrencies. Let's do the rounds. I noticed something today on doing the rounds is when crypto markets are selling off, there isn't a lot of news about crypto markets. It's hush city as far as news hitting the wire. Absolutely quiet as far as that goes. I saw this coming and said that I'd gone to the tether on almost all of my stuff. And I am currently working lots of orders now, lower here, especially as we get to weekly down momentum or daily down momentums, daily lower collars, those type of areas. That's, since this is a buy and hold market basically right now, not a really good ability to short the markets. That's how I'm approaching trading cryptos right now. Is that I want to find great places to be a long participant, great places to buy these assets. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for patience. I'm having patience and waiting for those levels to develop. And let's take the vitals and look at a few of them, all right? All right, taking the vitals. This is the time every day in the show that we talk about a few of the coins, where their price action is in regards to the Blockchain Vitals sheet, and how adding a layer of discipline and from that sheet and from those three trading methodologies might help you as a trader or investor. So let's do it right away here. Let's go to Bitcoin first. 96.50 it's trading right now, 9,650. Below its value range, the value range 97.65 to 10,357. Below the pivot, below the pursuit risk, below the average, I'm looking at that lower momentum level, that 87.95, to start to add a little bit of Bitcoin to my crypto portfolio. And then if things get really ridiculous and it washes out 66.80, I like that level. The other level I like is the weekly Mo level is incredibly down at 4,700-ish. But yeah, I'm looking to establish if this washes out to those levels. I'm dabbling. Now, so I've said over the past couple of days, as the other currencies have been weaker than Bitcoin, Bitcoin also weaker. And once it closed out of up momentum, that's 10,909 now. That average was the logical place for it to go test. It's taken that level out, so that lower momentum level, that's where I'm going to start to acquire some Bitcoin. All right, let's go on and talk about Dash, because Dash really, 614 now. It got through that lower momentum level, which today came in, I think at 615. It made a low in the fives, but it came back nicely again today. But man, it just cannot seem to hold its head above that lower momentum level. And I'm looking for Dash to go test that lower momentum collar. That's a mouthful. Lower momentum collar down at 534. But again, Dash keeps showing this resilience, man. That they take it out, they've taken it to the momentum level, taken it through it today, it closed back above it, but right away trading back through that momentum level. I think it could wash out to that lower momentum collar level. Again, right now, still in its value range though, as you see that value range low, 593 to 634. So that was very interesting to see it wash out and then close back up above its lower momentum level. Right now, trading back through it. I would, that value range low of 593. If it gets through there and builds some time and volume, if you are a day trader, I definitely think you could go see that lower momentum collar. But that value range low has to be taken out, and it has to build some time and volume below there in order for it to extend down to that collar level. And Ethereum trading 789, firmly in lower momentum. Just below its value range low, 791. That value range 791 to 833. Again, it's just not looking healthy, man. As we talk about the vitals, it is not looking healthy. It looks like it wants to go test that lower momentum collar, 747. And I will be dabbling down there. I'm actually also looking at the weekly level in Ethereum, and that is, whoa. Unfortunately, if you're just buy and hold and you haven't done anything with Ethereum as it's rolled over here and weakened, I really like the up or the lower momentum level in Ethereum on the weekly down at 593. I really like that level. I got orders working down in that area, as well as in XRP and Litecoin. Again, looking at these blow off low levels to start establishing long positions again. It's buy only. You can't short it. So the bad news is I saw this stuff rolling over, and in the fiat world, I would have established some short positions. In this trading setup, I'm just waiting for those really logical places where you'd want to be long or take a chance of being long, especially since for me, longer term, they're more of a long-term investment anyway. So I have to be patient and wait for good entry levels since I can't participate on the short side. All right. Add a layer of discipline. I'll keep on saying it. Add a layer of discipline to your trade, and you're going to be a better trader. If you're a newbie to trading, you got to do the research, and you have to figure out what makes sense for you yourself. Trading methodologies that you can adhere to, that you can have disciplined trading around. That's what you want to start building for yourself as an investor. And I will say this too, that it should be transferable. So if you become a good crypto trader in a technical framework, that should be able to transfer to trading your stock portfolio or trading your bond portfolio. Anything with price action that you can chart or that you can technically dissect. Work those disciplines for yourself, and you'll have a lifelong ability to interact in the markets. So with that, you guys have a great trading day in Asia. I will be, like I say, I just have orders resting. That's what I do. I have orders resting. I'm waiting for lower price action to establish long positions on dailies and weeklies, and then we will play the upside and take profit. All right, take profit. That will be the mantra when this thing finds some support and heads back north. Have a great day. We will see you tomorrow.